Morning all. Coffee chat time by the fire. Let's see, what is this? It's day 4. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Now it's day 6, I guess. I don't know. Losing track of days again already. So, and that's a good thing. I like it when that happens. At the end of this video, after I'm done with this coffee chat, I want you guys to stay tuned for something. This is one of the reasons why I come up here. It took me 4 days. I waited 4 days to get that shot. So, you know, I'm always talking about, you know, finding some place where there isn't anybody. Sorry, I'm leaning over because the smoke's going in my face. And I know, Gavin, I'm not supposed to complain about it. So I'm not complaining, I'm just moving. So anyway, it took me 4 days to get that shot, and one of the reasons that I come up to a place like this is for that shot. And you know, I'll go way out of my way to get away from everybody. The more people are around, you know, the more things happen and all that. So I haven't seen anybody. There's been a couple of alien vehicles go by, alien transport vehicles go by, but you know, I can count on one hand since I've been here how many there's been. But it never fails. They always show up when you don't want them to. When you know, the least inopportune time, they'll show up. Like they're sitting around waiting for you to be doing something. Nah, I'm just messing with y'all. But it's just been really quiet, and I'm loving this. Temperature's been in the 80s, between 80 and 81, 82 during the days, and then 57 or so at night. I'm not complaining. But starting tomorrow, it's going to be rainy, and we're going to be dropping down about 10 degrees. So at night, it's going to be in the mid 40s. A little bit nippy. A little nippy this morning, but not too bad. So yeah, starting tomorrow, the temperatures are going to start dropping, and it'll be the end of the summertime temps, and we're going to start getting pretty chilly here pretty soon. Actually, the average this time of year is right around 60 to 65, but it's been about 10 degrees warmer this year. I hope we don't have another dry winter like we had last year. I mean, you know, like I've said before, that this forest they don't close it unless they absolutely have to, and there was a bunch of it closed at the beginning of the summer. So, and that was because of the severe drought. Luckily, we didn't have any big forest fires. That's a good thing. Most people, I guess, you know, don't want to see the forest destroyed. They like coming up here, you know, and they don't want to, well, you know where I'm going with that. What else? I went to get water yesterday, so I was looking at maybe doing a nice cooking video. I got some pork ribs in there. I probably thaw those out and get them cooked up. And I'd not do it on the fire, though. Probably do it in a pressure cooker. It's faster, and I just like it better. More juicy, and it's not all dried out. And of course, I forgot barbecue sauce. You always forget something, right? No matter what. Even if you write it down. Or at least that's what happens to me. So.